Good morning and welcome. Welcome to our Tuesday morning maths lesson. And we are looking at time at the moment. So do you have time to look at time? So I'm Nicole. I'm the Education Director at Cosmico. You may know us as Bright Idea Education. We are the same company. I am the same Educational Director. We are just now trading under the name of Cosmico because we have launched our new app, which you all know about if you've been here before. So who have we got here today? Hello, hello, hello. Any newbies? Any old friends? Just give me a wave and let me know if you've just joined or whether you've been with us before. So while I wait for you to tell me, I'm going to say, are you looking at the new brain teaser that we have up? It's a time one because we're looking at time and we've got some tricky questions for you to have a think about. So I'm not seeing any chat coming through. So are you there? Is everything okay? Everything okay? Got lots of buffering going on here, so I don't know how the internet's feeling today. Sometimes it is a bit slow because so many people are using the internet now. So let's have a look at this brain teaser that we've got here. So do you agree with Teddy? Do you agree? I've got some messages coming through now. Hello, hello, hello. Do you agree with Teddy? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Do you agree? 1/4 is always later than 1/4. Do you agree? Is 1/4 always later than 1/4? Do you agree? Is 1/4 always later than 1/4? What do you think? So Teddy's saying that when the minute hand is on 1/4, it is always a later time than when the minute hand is on 1/4. So do you agree? Do you agree? Now, if we look at 1/4, like say we had the hour the same. If we looked at 11:15, let's put the clock on 11:15. If we looked at 11:15, so the hour hand is just past 11 and the minute hand is on the 3, 15 minutes past, 3 lots of 5, 15 minutes past. So this 11:15, well, 11:15 is later than 11:45 because it's gone 1/4. If we're going to go 1/4, we would have to go half an hour back in time so that the minute hand was pointing to the 9 and the hour hand had not yet got to the 11 o'clock. So to get to 1/4, we've got to go all the way around and half an hour has got to pass. So if the hour that we're talking about is the same, then 1/4 the hour is later than 1/4. But if the hour changes, 11:15 is not later. So let's put the clock on 11:15. So we can see that again. So we're just past the 11 on the hour hand and the minute hand is pointing at 1/4. Now 11:15, if time continues to travel, the next 1/4, 11:30, 12. So when it goes from 11:15, the next 1/4 is 12. And 11:15 is not later than 12. So if the hour we're talking about is the same, 11:15 is later than 11:45. But if time carries on after 11:15, remember, then it goes on to 1/4 the next hour. So Teddy's right if we're talking about the same hour, but not right if time is continuing to travel. So let's have a look at the next brain teaser. How many quarters of an hour are there between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock? So how many quarters of an hour? I'll get my clock face that shows the clock facing quarters. So if let's have a look, we're starting at 7 o'clock. So if I put my clock face to say 7 o'clock, so we're starting at 7 o'clock. So if I put my clock face to say 7 o'clock, okay, so we're starting at 7 o'clock. How many quarters of that clock face will we have before it's 9 o'clock? How many quarters of that clock face will we have before it's 9 o'clock? So let's have a little look around as the hand goes around. I'm going to drop you down so that you can see the clock face. Okay, so there's 7 o'clock. So let's have a little look. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, and now it's 8 o'clock. So there were 4 quarters from 7 till 8. Now we've got to go to 9 o'clock. 5 quarters, 6 quarters, 7 quarters, 8 quarters. So the minute hand would have travelled around 8 quarters of the clock from 7 o'clock until 9 o'clock. From 7 o'clock until 9 o'clock. So the train, the last brain teaser here, the train to Blackpool leaves at 1/4 and 1/4 every hour. So there's a train at 1/4 every hour and there's a train at 1/4 every hour. Make a list of the times of the trains Oliver can catch if he gets to the train station between 2 o'clock and 4:30. We've got a little bit of a 4 missing there. 2 o'clock and 4:30. So let's have a look. Let's just drop down so we can see the clock again. So he gets to this train station at 2 o'clock. Now there is a train every time. It's 1/4 and 1/4. So maybe let's do a tally to help us. So we're going to keep going until 4:30. So the next 1/4 is 2:15. So there's 1. Then the next train is at 2:15, so that will be 2:45. So there's another one. We haven't got to 4:30 yet. Then the time carries on, 3 o'clock, 3:15. Okay, there's another train, 1/4 the hour. The time carries on, 3:45. There's another train, 3:45 the hour. It was 4:30, wasn't it? Okay, time carries on, 4 o'clock, 4:15. Okay, there's another one. So now we've got 5. And then the next one, oh, there's 4:30. We've run out of time. We've run out of time. So between 2 o'clock and 4:30, there were 5 trains. 2:15, 2:45, 3:15, 4:45, 4:15. There were 5 trains that Oliver could have caught between 2 o'clock and 4:30. Okay. So hello, got some more people joining us. So well done. Some more people have just joined. So we've just done the morning's brain teaser. Okay, we've just done the morning's brain teaser, and now we're going to carry on with the lesson. So Rexy's going to say hello. If you haven't met Rexy before, this is my little doggy Rexy, and he joins us for the lessons, and he helps out and gives you lots of encouragement. Sometimes he joins in and shows you where to point. He's giving you a little wave. Do you want to give Rexy a little wavy back? Yay, hello Rexy. There he is. Ooh, Rexy. Yep. So we're going to do a quiz. Now, I've asked people to tell me if they are new or old. Some names I recognize, some names look a little bit new. So welcome, new people. And I know that lots of people are back at school now, so the lessons are happening when children are back at school. But for those of you who are not at school, then it's really great that you've joined us here. So we are focusing on time at the moment. And if you haven't downloaded our Cosmico app yet, then I hope that you will. Okay, this is a free app. It's on Google and Apple stores, and we've got a new Facebook page now. So get your parents and carers to join us and follow us on Facebook on the Cosmico Facebook page. So if you go into the Google or the Apple store, but not now because we're in our lesson, then there's a great app that's there, fun to play, and great math stuff on there to help you. So have a look at Cosmico and download, and you can follow us then. On Facebook, your parents can follow us on Instagram as well, and you can play the app and keep coming to lessons and find out about all the exciting things that we're doing. So hello. We are going to do a quiz, and that quiz will let us know how you're doing on time. So today we are going to look at telling time analog. That's an analog clock. And we are going to look at telling time digitally, where you just get the numbers and you do not have a clock face. And many of you wear digital watches or see digital clocks. So we need to make sure that we can tell the time on an analog clock, a clock with hands, and a digital clock where it just tells us the numbers. So we're just going to do a little quiz. So when you do the quiz, can you not press submit at the end, because we'll go through the questions and then I'll say submit and then you can see your scores. Okay, so I'm just going to load up a quiz for us to do today. Let's have a little look. We need to get the correct quiz. Quiz 1, years 1 and 2. Okay, so if you haven't done the quiz before, sometimes the little picture of me at the top is in the way of the grey vertical line that you need to be able to slide down. Okay, so just have a look at the quiz. So it's showing you a time and then it's asking you to say, what's that time in digital time? Okay, what's that time in digital time? So just let me know on the chat when you finished. Okay, some people have finished. Nothing's wrong with the video. I've just turned the picture of me off just so it's not a bit distracting while you're working. Just let me know when you finished. Yep, okay, so let's go through. Come back and see you. Hello, here I am. So don't press submit yet and let's go through. So that first question is asking you, how would you write that analog time in digital? And everybody's got that correct, so that's brilliant. And again, the second one is asking you, what does that time look like in digital? Again, everybody's got that, so that's brilliant. And again, what time does this show? 7:15. Okay, I'm going to end voting. Okay, can you submit your results? Okay, and I'm going to share. Okay, so well done. It looks like we're all very confident. So don't worry about your results because everybody who did the quiz got them all correct. So that's fantastic. So then let's get on with looking at that digital time. So I've got a clock face here that shows us the minutes. Okay. So when we are looking at digital and analog time, the analog, we need the hands to tell us what the hour hand is pointing to, what the minute hand is pointing to. For digital time, it just tells you the numbers. You're not looking at the hands at all. So if a clock is showing you 3:30, then just as you've seen on there, you do not need the clock hands. It just shows you 3 hours and 30 minutes. So we can say 1/2 or 3:30. If it is 2:10, then the clock is showing you 2 hours and 10 minutes. So it's just actually just giving you the numbers without the hands. When you have an analog clock, you need the hands to see where the clock is, what time it is, because the hands will tell you by pointing. So the numbers stay the same on an analog clock and the hands move. On a digital clock, the numbers just change to tell you what the time is at that moment. Okay, so you all look pretty cool on that. So let us go straight into playing a game then. Now we have tried playing a game of bingo And that is what we are going to try today. We are going to try a game of bingo. But with our game of bingo, you are going to choose the analog times and I am going to read the digital times out, okay? So if I drop you down here and you can see the clocks, okay? Just checking that you can see the clocks. I want you to choose 3 times that you can see on there. Choose 3 times that you can see on the clocks and write them down, okay? Choose 3 times on the clocks and write them down. And I am going to call out their digital equivalents, and then you can cross them off if I call out one of your times, okay? So you're going to choose 3 times and write them down on a piece of paper. Then I have got the same times, but digitally. Okay, I'm going to mix them up. And as I call out a time, if I call your time and you cross it off. When I've called all of your 3 times, then you call house. Okay? And when I call all of your 3 times, you call house. Okay? So I'm just going to have to keep the screen up because my second screen isn't working. I won't be able to see when you called house. So have you chosen your 3 times? Okay, look at those clocks. Well, don't tell me your times. Don't tell me your times. You choose 3 times and write them down on a piece of paper at home. Okay, you write them down on a piece of paper. So if you look at the clock and you say, oh, I'm going to choose 20 past 3, I'm going to choose 9:15, and I'm going to choose 7:05, then you just write those down on a piece of paper. Okay, and then I am going to call out times. And if I call out one of your times, then you cross it off. Okay, so you can see the times now because I'm holding them up nice and clearly to the screen. Okay, I'm holding them up nice and clearly to the screen. Yeah, so choose 3 times to write down. Yep, have you chosen your 3 times? So you can't see those clocks. You still can't see those clocks. So I think you should be able to see those clocks now because they are very, very clear. Okay, very clear. There we are. So tell me when you've written your 3 clocks down. Tell me when you've written your 3 clocks down. Yeah. Yeah, we should have done them now. Just trying to get my second screen working. It doesn't want to work. It just means it's harder for me to see when I drop down. Okay. So I'm going to refresh this screen as well because nobody's telling me they're experiencing a lot of buffering. Okay, seems to have stopped buffering now. So I'm just trying to get to the other one. Nobody's telling me that they're experiencing a lot of buffering, but I can't get my second screen. So have you all written your clocks down? Yep, done. Great. Okay, so I'm going to shuffle up my times here now. Good. Not buffering on your end. Brilliant. Must just be the internet in South London then. Okay, so I am looking at time. So make sure that you're ready. Make sure that you're ready. Okay. And I am going to say the first time. So you've got them in analog. Brilliant. My second screen's working now, so I'm going to drop you down so you can see the clocks. So you've chosen your times. The first one I have picked out is 3:20. 3:20. So I'm going to put that on there. That one's gone. And the next time is 11:20. 11:20. The next time I have is 7:05. 7:05. The next time I have is 2:10. 2:10. I'm waiting for somebody to call house to tell me all their times have been chosen. The next one I have is 3:15. 3:50. Oh, somebody's got bingo. Somebody's got bingo. Yay, well done. Well done, well done, well done. Yep, somebody's got and somebody else has got bingo. Well done, well done. So let's have another game. Choose 3 different times. Well, or you can choose the same 3 if you want, because I'm going to shuffle the times up so they're going to come out in a different order. So choose 3 more times. Choose 3 more times. Okay, I'll just hold them closer so that you can see them clearly. Just have to work out. There we are. Okay, just choose 3 more times. Oh, you had 1 more to go. Choose 3 more times. All the 3 set. It doesn't matter because I've shuffled the other cards in a different order. Okay, you good to go? You've chosen your times? Right, let's put the bingo board down. I have shuffled the cards. What have we got first? We have got 3:20. 3:20. And next we have 2:10. I think we had that one last time as well, didn't we? 2:10. Now we have got 9 o'clock. Now we have got 11:20. 11:20. Next is 7:05. We're going to get a bingo soon. Oh, bingo, bingo, bingo at 11:20. Got bingo at 11:20. So did you get, most of you did need in 1 more, or was there anybody who hadn't had any of their clocks chosen yet? Because there's still 7 clocks, so somebody might not have had any clocks. House, yes, house, exactly, house, bingo. Well done, well done, well done. Whoa, that was a good game of bingo. That was a good game of bingo. Okay, 1 more time, just 1 more time. They're going to play a different game. Choose your times. Again, I'll put them closer. Okay, I'm going to shuffle the cards. So choose your times. Okay, let me shuffle the cards up. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Moving them all around, moving them all around. Okay, what have I got first out of the box is 3:15. 3:15. Where are you, 3:15? Oh, you're over there. Okay, 3:15. Oh, what's this one? 10:20. 10:20. Where are you, 10:20? Can't see you. Oh, where are you, 10:20? You hiding from me. There you go, 10:15. There you are, down there, hiding from me. 9:15. 9:15. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 2:25. 2:25. House. Somebody's got house. Somebody's got house. Well done, house. And somebody else. Oh, we've got some bingos coming through. Well done. Well done. So it's good. It just helps you keep sharp. It just helps you keep sharp. So well done, bingo. Thank you, bingo, bingo. So we're just going to do a few. This is the analog. You tell me what the digital time shows. Okay, so we're just going to do, let me just put the bingo away, and then we're going to do, this is the analog. You tell me what the digital time shows. Okay, I'm just going to get paper to hide the ones that I don't want you to look at yet. So let me have a look. Can you tell me, bring that up closer. How would I write that time in digital? How would I write that time in digital? How would I write that time in digital? Answers are starting to come through. Well, What hour is it? It's between 3 and 4, so we know it is still 3. It hasn't gone past the 4 yet. So 3, and it's half past, and half an hour is 30 minutes. So it is 3:30. So that time is 3:30. Okay? And when we write our digital time, remember that we use a colon to separate the hours and the minutes. Okay, so that time is 3:30. Okay, so let's have a look at the next time. Let's put these on because it looks like these clocks are a little bit too small. So we'll just say, what's this time showing then? What's this? I'll bring it up to the, what's this time showing? What's this time showing? So look at what hour the hour hand is pointing to. It's not got to 3 yet, so you know, ooh, not 5:15. No, not 5:15. Move it closer so you can see. The hour hand is the short one, and that's just between the 2 and the 3. So you know it's 2 something because it hasn't gone to 3 yet. Hasn't gone to 3 yet, so it can't be 3:25 because the hour hand has not reached the 3 yet. I do agree the artist who drew this clock could have made the hour hand a little bit clearer because it looks like it's pointing to the 3, but still it has not gone past the 3. So it is 2:25. 2:25. 2:25. It cannot be 3 and some minutes until that hour hand has gone past the 3, and it is not at the 3 yet. I agree, if I was doing that clock I would have put the hour hand more in the middle, but even so it cannot be 3:25 because the hour hand has not gone past the 3. It is 2 hours and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. 2:25. 2:25. Okay. So what is the next one? Let's have a look at the next one. What is this one? What is this one showing? Oops, oh, my finger out of the way. Now look at what the hour hand is pointing to. It has not got to the 8 yet. So when we are doing digital time, we are saying the hours plus how many minutes. It has not got to the 8 yet. So it cannot be 8 o'clock. So it must be the hour before. So the last hour was 7 o'clock. And how many minutes? It has not got to the 8 yet. So it cannot be 8 hours and something minutes. Exactly. So it is 7 hours and 45 minutes. 7 hours and 45 minutes. It has not got to the 8 yet. So it cannot be 8 hours. I can't what? I can't H. I don't know what that means, honey. Just try that again. Here you should be able to see because I'm bringing it very close. Okay. So the last hour was 7. So 7 and how many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 45 minutes. 7:45. 7:45. Okay. So let's have a look at another one. So again, look at the hour. Look at the hour. What hour has it just passed? What hour has it just passed? So that's the hour that you're looking at, and how many minutes has it gone past? So you look at the hour first. So in digital time, the hour comes first. In analog time, you say, oh, it's 5 past, 20 past, 1:45. You say the minutes first. But with digital time, you put the hour first. So you look at the hour where the little hand is pointing, the hour hand, and you say, okay, what hour is that pointing to, or what hour is it going past? Now it's just going past the 2. So the hour is 2. And how many minutes past that hour has it gone? 5 minutes. So we can't say 2.5. That does not exist in time to tell in the time. we have to put the 0 in. So 2, and make sure you're using a colon, not a comma, please. 2 hours, and we have to put the 0 in as a placeholder. 2 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, we cannot write this. We cannot write this. We put the 0 in as a placeholder. Okay. We put the 0 in as a placeholder. So no, we're not writing 2, 5. We put the 0 in as a placeholder. And just make sure that you're using a colon, okay, not commas. So we're writing our digital time. We are using a colon to separate the hours and the minutes. And the minutes will always have 2 digits. So if it hasn't got to 10 yet, a 2-digit number, we put the 0 in as a placeholder. Okay, so can the person who used a comma, can you just write it again for me with a colon so I can see it with a colon? Okay, right, well done. So the next time, let's have a little look at the next one. Show me the next one. Let's just put a post-it on it so we can block the others out so we know exactly which one we are looking at. There we are, and I'll bring it up nice and close so that you can see it clearly. Let's just make sure that's out of the way. What time is this clock showing? What time is this clock showing? Okay, so remember the hour comes first. So when we look at the hour, we can see, oh, okay, I can see what hour that hour hand is pointing between. It hasn't got to the 10 yet, so it cannot be 10 hours plus some minutes because it hasn't got there yet. So it must be the hour before. So it's 9 hours and how many minutes have gone past? 9 hours and how many minutes? So make sure you're using those colons. Well done, well done. You've got a colon this time. Excellent. Yes, exactly. It's 9 hours, colon, 5, 10 minutes. Yeah. So 9, 10. 9, 10. You cannot hear or see anything. I don't quite know why that is. That must be a problem with your computer. And if you can't hear or see anything, then I can't talk to you to help you to sort it out. Okay, so let's have a look at our next time and see if you can work out the next one for me. I'll just fold that over on the top. Can you see that one? Let me move it. Can you see that time? Can you see that time? And I hope that the person who can't see or hear anything, I hope that's getting sorted out for you. I hope that's getting sorted out for you. And I am going to put the microphone on just in case that helps you. Okay, so let's have a look at that time. Can you see that time? Can you see that time? I'll just put the microphone on just in case that's going to make a difference and help our little person who's not hearing anything. Okay, so again, we're looking at this one. Yep, you can see the answers have come in. Oh, we've just... Did we do that one? Yes, we did. Sorry. Now we need the bottom. Did we do that one? Yes, we did. Oh, sorry. We haven't that one. 9, 10. It's the same time exactly. I got a bit confused because I was worrying about the person who they can't hear or see anything. Yes, just testing you're awake. Let's do this time then, which is not the same time. Okay, so again, we are looking at the hour. Again, we are looking at the hour. Okay, and the shorthand, the hour hand. What hour are we talking about? What hour? We cannot be talking about 3 because it has not got to 3 yet. So we must be talking about 2 hours plus how many minutes? So it's 2 o'clock plus how many minutes? 2 hours and how many minutes? Well, it's just gone past the half, so we know that's 30, and it's another 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It's 35 minutes past 2. And in digital time, we write that as 2 colon 35. We write that as 2:35. Okay, So we are always looking at the hour first, always looking at the hour first. Yeah. And then we are looking at how many minutes past the hour it is. We are always looking at the hour first, and then we are looking at how many minutes past the hour it is. Okay, so let's just have another quick game of bingo. This is going to be really good because it is going to test your quarter past. So we'll be very, very quick. Okay, so choose your quarter past the hour. Choose your quarter past the hour. Yep, choose your quarter past the hour. And then we will play bingo. So choose 3 times, or actually choose 4 this time. Choose 4 because this is really easy and it's going to be quick. Okay, so choose 4 times. Tell me when you're done. Choose 4 times and tell me when you're done. Choose 4 times and tell me when you are done. Okay. Choose 4 times and tell me when you are done. Okay. Choose 4 different times. They're all quarter past, but I'm going to say them in digital time. So you tell me when you are done. And then we'll just have time to do another quiz. Okay, have you chosen your 4 times? Yep. Yeah, and you can see them clearly, can't you? They're all quarter past. They're all quarter past. Yep. So I'm assuming that you're done. I don't want to waste any longer. So let's have a look. I'm shuffling my cards here. I'm shuffling them up, so we don't know which is going to come. Oh, in which order? Shuffle, 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 shuffle. So you need 4 before you can call house, okay? You need 4 before you can call house. So what's the first one I've got? The first one I've got is 4:15. 4:15. The next one I've got is 11:15. 11:15. Next one I've got is 6:15. 6:15. 6:15. Then we have 12:15. 12:15. Then we have 2:15. 2:15. 2:15. Then we have 3:15. 3:15. Whoa, no bingos yet. Aha, somebody got bingo on 2:15. That's very helpful that you say that. So we've had 3:15, 2:15, 4:15, 6:15, 12:15, and 11:15. And 11:15. Brilliant. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay. One more time. Choose 4 times. I'm shuffling the cards up. Choose 4 times. I'm shuffling them up. I'm shuffling them up. I'm shuffling them up. Okay. Nice and quick. Choose 4 times. 4 quarter pasts. And we have 12:15. 12:15. I'm going to put that down so that's gone. We have 11:15. 11:15. We have 6:15. Oh, all the ones down the bottom. 6:15. Remember, you have to have 4. We have 5:15. Oh, wow. Coming up in order. We have, next we have 10:15. Have we got a house for this one? Let's have a look. The ones we've called are 10:15, 5:15, 12:15, 6:15, and 11:15. So was that your house? You had 4 of those. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay. So let's then look at each other. Well done. Well done. Well done. So this lesson was aimed at children who are in years 1 and 2. If you're in an older year group and you manage this lesson very well, then please feel free to stay on for the next lesson and join us for the next lesson. That's for years 3 and 4. We are going to do a quiz now, again, just to test your digital and analog time. So get ready. Here, I'm just going to load up the quiz. So we are looking for quiz 2, years 1 and 2, and there you are, quiz 2. So let's have a look what we have got here. Okay. So what time does this clock show? What time does this clock show? Oh, now not everybody's got the same time there. Somebody has said a different time. Look a bit closer. Look a bit closer. Okay, look at the hour and the minute hand. Person who's put 1:45, look at the hour and the minute hand. What hour is the hour hand pointing to? Remember, the hour comes first. The short hand is pointing to the hour. It's not pointing to 1 o'clock. The short hand is not pointing to 1 o'clock. So just have another little look. Person who's put 1:45, have another little look. Okay. So remember, do not worry if you get it wrong. Only you know that. Nobody knows who you are. Nobody knows who you are. Okay. Nobody knows who you are, apart from you. I hope you know who you are. Okay, when you're done, let me know and I'll go through them. When you're done, let me know and I will go through them. Let me know who you are and then I will go. Let me know when you're done and I will go through them. Okay. It looks like we have finished. So let's go back to question 1. So looking at this clock, so the short hand is the hour hand. Ah, well done. Whoever put 1:45 has now realized, because that was question 3, wasn't it? So you've now realized actually that clock does not show 1:45. The hour hand, which comes first, is pointing just past the 9. It hasn't got to the 10 yet. So we know we must put 9 as the hour first of all. How many minutes past 9 is it? 1 lot of 5. 9:05 is the first one. 9:05. And then we look at the next one. Okay, we look at that hour hand, that smaller hand. Where is it pointing to? Well, it is just past the 2. It is just past the 2. So we know it's 2 hours and something minutes. Let's have a look at how many minutes that longer minute hand has gone past. Well, if we count the lots of 5, 1 lot of 5, 2 lots of 5, 3 lots of 5, 4 lots of 5, 5 lots of 5, 6 lots of 5, 7 lots of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 7 5s are 35. So the time is 2:35. Well done. 2:35. And then we look at the last one. We've got some difference of opinion here. And I hope the people who have got this incorrect realize as I'm explaining. And I hope I'll see you jump over and change your answer. Now let's look at that hour hand, that shorter hour hand. Now it is not yet at the 1, is it? It hasn't got to the 1 yet. So we cannot say it is 1 o'clock yet. It has to be 12 o'clock because it is on its way to the 1. So it is 12 hours and some minutes. So the first figure is 12. So it's past 12, but it's not yet 1. So it's 12 and how many minutes? Well, let's have a look. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 9 lots of 5. 3/4 of an hour, which we know is 45 minutes. So it is 12:45. To be 1:45, that hour hand would have to be past the 1, remember. It would have had to have gone past the 1, and then we add the minutes on. So 12:45 is that last time. Some people put 1:45 there. I hope you can see where you went wrong. So just press submit. If you press submit, please. Yeah, somebody's just, it's 12:45, not 1:45, 12:45. It has not gone past 1 o'clock yet, so we cannot say it is 1 and some minutes because it hasn't come to 1 o'clock yet. It hasn't got to 1 o'clock yet. It's got 1/4 an hour to go until it gets to 1 o'clock. It's not at the 1 o'clock yet. 12:45. 12:45. Okay, I'm going to end the voting and share results. So we did well. Some people got a bit confused at question 3 and they didn't change their answer as I was going through, so they must still be a little bit confused. Just remember, you must look at where the hour hand is pointing first of all, and you cannot say it is that hour until it is on or just gone past. If it is on its way to, it is still the previous hour, that we are putting the hour first and then how many minutes has passed. Okay. So well done. Well done for analog and digital time. We are going to end the lesson now. Can you tell me what you enjoyed about today, please, so I can make sure I do more of that next week? Make sure you tell your friends about the lesson so we can have lots of people joining us and have lots of nice maths going on together. And if you haven't already downloaded the Cosmico app, please do download it. It's on the Google and Apple stores. It's free. And make sure your grown-ups are following us on Facebook and Instagram, Cosmico. Okay, so what did you enjoy about today? What would you like more of, so that I know? And then I can make the lessons as enjoyable as possible. What did you enjoy? What would you like more of? Okay, give me some feedback so I know and I can build that in for next week's lesson. We'll have a think about a different topic for next week and we'll let you know. We'll send the titles out ahead of time. You like the bingo and the snap? Good, 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 good. Bingo and snap, yeah. We didn't play Pelmanism this week, so we'll play that next week. So we'll do some more bingo and we'll have a think about what we're going to do next week. I'll have a think about how we got on today. I might do some more time. I might go on to a new topic next week. But we'll let you know. We'll email out the titles for your grown-ups to see what we're going to work on. Okay, so well done, everybody. It's been lovely to work with you today. Make sure you download our app. Remember, it's free and you can have some great maths fun on the Cosmico X spaceship. But you'll need to download it to see the Cosmico X spaceship. More easy, or you want it to be easier? Okay, well, I think we did quite well today, but that digital time can be a bit tricky when it's on the 1/4 because in analog we're saying 1/4 and digital we just always add the minutes on. So just more practice of that. So watch the lesson again. Person who wanted it more easy. It'd be a good idea for you to watch the lesson again, which you can on YouTube, and it'll probably sink in a little bit more then. Just go through the lesson again and that will build up your confidence, okay? So well done, everybody. I will see you next week. So bye from Rexy. Bye from Rexy. Rexy saying goodbye. And we will see you next week. Take care. Stay safe. Nice working with you. Bye-bye.